Welcome to one of Tokyo's most iconic and historical landmarks, the magnificent Senso-ji Temple, popularly known as the Asakusa Temple. Our journey begins at the grand entrance, the Kaminarimon or Thunder Gate. As we approach, the first thing that captures our attention is the immense red lantern hanging at the center of the gate, emblazoned with bold black kanji characters. Stretching for about 250 meters, Nakamise Street is a vibrant shopping avenue leading up to the temple's main hall. Both sides of this bustling street are lined with shops and stalls offering a delightful mix of traditional snacks, souvenirs, and crafts. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly made taiyaki, sweet and savory dumplings, and roasted senbei or rice crackers. Vendors enthusiastically invite us to sample their treats, and it's nearly impossible to resist the allure of these delicacies. Here, we find handcrafted items like folding fans, yukatas, and ornate hairpins, perfect mementos of our visit. Nakamise Street also showcases Tokyo's unique blend of old and new, where traditional crafts coexist with quirky modern souvenirs like keychains and caricature magnets. The street, though crowded, radiates a joyful and welcoming atmosphere, embodying the spirit of the Asakusa district. As we near the end of Nakamise Street, the Hosoman Gate comes into view. This impressive two-story structure serves as the inner gateway to the temple. Like the Kaminarimon, it houses protective deities, but here they are the Neo, fierce guardians whose stern expressions ward off evil spirits. The gate also features enormous sandals, symbolizing the strength of the gods within. Passing through the Hosoman, we are greeted by a wide courtyard. From this vantage point, the grandeur of Senso-ji's main hall and the iconic five-story pagoda become apparent. The blend of traditional architectural elements with the backdrop of Tokyo's modern skyline creates a mesmerizing contrast. We take a moment to admire the five-story pagoda nearby. This elegant structure is a quintessential element of Buddhist temples in Japan, representing the five elements of earth, water, fire, wind, and void. The pagoda's striking silhouette against the sky is a favorite subject for photographers. The temple grounds also feature a variety of smaller shrines and statues, including a statue of Bodhisattva Jizo, the guardian of children and travelers. The area's lush greenery and meticulously maintained gardens provide a tranquil retreat from the bustling crowds. The sheer number of visitors at Senso-ji is awe-inspiring. People from all walks of life gather here, tourists exploring Tokyo's rich history, locals seeking blessings, and pilgrims on spiritual journeys. The diversity of the crowd reflects the universal appeal of Senso-ji as a place of worship, culture, and community. The experience of visiting Senso-ji is not just about admiring its architecture or learning its history. It's about immersing ourselves in the energy, traditions, and stories that make this place so special. The main hall of Senso-ji is a masterpiece of Buddhist architecture. Originally built in 645 AD, it is Tokyo's oldest temple. The hall has been rebuilt several times, with the current structure dating back to the mid-20th century after being destroyed during World War II. The hall's roof soars high, adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant paintings that depict various Buddhist motifs. Before entering, we pause to cleanse our hands and mouths at the purification fountain or Chuzuya. This ritual is an essential part of visiting a Shinto or Buddhist shrine in Japan and symbolizes the purification of the mind and body before prayer. Inside the hall, the atmosphere shifts to one of serenity and reverence. The centerpiece is a golden statue of Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. According to legend, this statue was discovered by two fishermen in the Sumida River in 628 AD, leading to the establishment of the temple. Although the statue is not visible to the public, its presence is deeply felt as worshippers gather to pay their respects, making offerings and prayers. The hall is bustling with activity as visitors and devotees queue to offer coins at the large wooden donation box. After making a wish or prayer, many clap their hands twice and bow deeply, following traditional customs. The sound of clapping resonates through the hall, creating a rhythmic backdrop to the quiet murmurs of prayer. for those seeking guidance or blessings, omikuji or fortune-telling slips are available. It's a simple yet engaging process. Shake a wooden box until a numbered stick emerges, then retrieve your corresponding fortune from a drawer. Whether your fortune is good or bad, it's customary to tie it to designated racks to either amplify the blessings or leave the misfortune behind. As we exit the temple complex, we take a final look at the majestic structures and the vibrant life surrounding them. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Senso-ji. Whether you seek spiritual solace, cultural enrichment, or simply an unforgettable experience, this iconic temple promises to deliver. Until next time, may the blessings of Kannon accompany you on your path. If you enjoyed this video and experienced the vibrant sights and sounds of Asakusa Temple again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cultural journeys and exciting adventures.